Good morning, children. Today is 4th of December, chapter 6, decimals, and we are on division. Yes, in our last class, we have done division of decimal number by counting numbers. Yes, today we are going to start with exercise 6J. Okay, 6J, and which is given on page number 96. Okay, children, today we are going to learn decimals of division of a decimal number by decimal number. Okay, till now we have done division where dividend is a decimal number and divisor is a counting number, that is whole number. Okay, now we are going to learn to divide decimal number by decimal number only. So what does it means? For example, this is our division statement: 5.04 divided by 0.8. So children, see, what is this? This is dividend. Yes, and this is divisor. We can see here dividend and divisor both are given in decimal number. So children, I'll tell you a very simple method. What we will solve these sums by changing into fraction. We all have done division in fraction. Yes, so let's do with fraction method. So what we are going to do first? We are going to change this complete division statement into fraction. Okay, how? So if I'll change 5.04 into fraction, it will be 4 upon 100. Why? Because after decimal there is 2 digit. So 2 zeros. Is it clear? Now change this divisor, put division sign as it is, and change this divisor into decimal. After decimal, how many digits are there? 1 digit is there. That means 1 0. So it will be 8 upon 10. This is clear? Now, children, we have to now simply divide the way we have done in chapter fraction. Okay. Now, is equal to sign. 504 is a dividend. So we will keep it like this only. And we will reciprocal this sign. Why? What is the opposite of division? Multiplication. It will change into multiplication. Why multiplication, children? Because we are going to reciprocate this fraction. So what will be this? 10 upon 8. This much is clear. Now children, simplify cross. Okay, and like this. Yes. Now 10 times 1, 10 times 10. Yes, I'll always start with the smaller number. So 4 times 2 times 4 is 8. 2 ones are 2. 2 twos are 4. And 1 5. 5 with the 2 5s are 10, and it will be here 252. Yes, children, this is separated. Yes, 252. Now copy as it is here. 252 upon 10 into 1 upon 4. We can still simplify this. Yes, children. How many times? 2 times. See, children, I always start with smaller number. Okay, now 2 times 1 is 1. 2 times 2, 4. Down 1, 12. 6. 146. So children, when we will divide this cross multiplication by 2, 2 times 2, 4, and 126 we will get after dividing 252. This much is clear. Now again copy, children. See, I am not in a hurry. I am doing step by step. Small calculation, but I am moving step by step. 126 upon 10 into 1 upon 2. Again we can simplify like this. 2 times 2, 1. 2 times 6, 12. 2 times 3. It will be 63. Okay. So children, after this what I'll get? 63 upon 10 into 1 by 1. Yes. Here clear children? 60. After simplifying it, I will be getting 1 here and 63 here. Yes, this is clear. Now copy this. 63 upon 10 into 1 upon 1. Now children, what after multiplying you will be getting? 63 upon 10. This much is clear. Now children, we want answer in what? Decimal. So change into decimal. What it will be? 6.3 is our answer. Clear? This is simple. This is the way we are going to do multiplication. Now, children, let's take one example. Now, pay attention. What is our statement here? Division statement. 91 divided by 0.875. 91 divided by 0.875. Children, please pay attention here. You may see here this dividend. This is dividend. This dividend is in whole number. It is not given in decimal. Okay. And this divisor is given in decimal number. So this much is clear. Children, simple. Change into fraction. It will make things simple. Now, by changing into fraction, it is not required. We can simply write 91 by 1. Yes, this is in fraction. Divided by 875. After decimal, how many zeros? 1, 2, 3. So what I'll be writing here? 1000. Clear? This much is clear, children? Simple. What I have done, I have changed into fraction. Now, what we will be doing next? 91 upon 1 will be remain like this. We will change this division sign into multiplication. Why multiplication, children? Because we will reciprocal divisor. We will reciprocal this. Reciprocal means upside down. So, it will become 1000 upon 875. Yes. Now what you have to do? Simply multiply, children. 91 multiply by 1000, that means 91,000. 1 into 875, 108. 1 into 875 means 875. Now children, here you can see what is this? This is dividend. Numerator is what? Dividend. Yes. And what is this? Divisor. Denominator is what? Divisor. This much we know. So this statement I can write like this. 91,000 divided by 875. Simple. I can write like this. After this, what I am going to do? I'll simply divide. What is dividend here, children? 91,000. So 91,000 I'll be writing in division box. Yes. And 875, which is divisor, I'll be writing here outside the box. Yes. And now I'll make rough column. This is what? This is my rough work. Now divide. So can we divide 9 by 875? No. We will put 0 here. 91. Now take 91. No. Put 0 because it is smaller. Now 910. Can we divide? Yes. How many times, children? 1 time. How many times? 1 time. So it will be 875. Yes, this much is clear. 875. Subtract it. 10 minus 5, 5. 10 minus 7, 3. This much is clear. Now 8 minus 8, 0. Now what I am going to do? I'll bring this 0 down. Now what is this? 350. Can we divide 350 by 875? No. So what we are going to do? We will put 0 here. This is clear? We will put 0 here. Now, after this, bring this 0 also down. Here. I'm writing it here. Sorry, it is here. Fine. Now this number is what? 3,500. Yes. Now hide these two numbers. 8 is here and 3 is smaller, 35. Now read 8's table until you get 35 or smaller than 35. So 8 5s are 40. So 8 5 we cannot take it. Okay, 8 4s are 32. Now do it with, 875 multiplied by 4. 4 5s are 20. Good. 4 7s are 28, 29, 30, 0, 3 here. 8 4s are 32. 32 plus 3, 35. So I'll be writing 4 here. So 3,500. Subtract 0, 0, 0, 0. So what is our answer, children? 100. What is our question? 104 is what? Our answer. This is our answer. Clear?